When it comes time to sell, many homeowners wonder, can I get more money for my home if I renovate it first? If you're considering the same thing, today's episode is for you. My name is Grewal with Cornerstone Home Lending. I am so excited to answer your questions about renovating home before listing. The answer to your question is complex. Some renovations get more bang for your buck, and some wouldn't even raise enough value to break even. Here's what you need to know. Tip number 1, make smart upgrades. There is nothing worse than spending a lot of money on renovations only to realize it's not even going to raise your value of your home. Thankfully, there is a fantastic cost versus value websites that gives you specific information on the projects. You can click the link above to check it out. Tip number 2, look at the comps around your neighborhood. Look at the houses that have been sold in your area and compare it to your house. This will give you a greater idea of the areas that you should improve in your home and where you should focus your time and money to get most out of your renovation. Tip number 3, consider your time and energy. If you want to save money, do it by yourself. Make sure you do not take on more than you can handle. Focus on small, manageable projects that you can have enough time, money, and energy to finish. Nothing is worse than half-finished or poorly done upgrade. If you do not have time to handle a major renovation project, you may need to consider hiring a pro. If you're wondering what is the right move for you, I would love to connect you with a fantastic real estate agent. They know what's paying off in a specific area, and they can help you weigh the pros and cons of each renovation project. Comment below, shoot me an email at ggrewal@houseloan.com to connect with one of our awesome real estate partners. Thank you so much for watching this week's episode. I'll see you next time. Bye.